Remodeling Services Texarkana is a booming industry, offering a wide range of services to transform your living space. Whether you're looking for kitchen remodeling Texarkana or bathroom renovation Texarkana, the options are endless. Texarkana home improvement projects can significantly increase the value and comfort of your home. Custom cabinetry Texarkana is a popular choice for those seeking unique and personalized storage solutions. Flooring installation Texarkana is another essential service, providing a variety of materials and styles to suit any taste. Texarkana interior design services are available to help you create a cohesive and stylish look throughout your home. Remodeling Services Texarkana can enhance your home's curb appeal and protect it from the elements. Texarkana room additions are perfect for growing families or those needing extra space. Roofing Services Texarkana ensure your home is protected from the harsh Texas weather. Painting contractors Texarkana can refresh your home's interior and exterior with a new coat of paint. 3 Masters Woodworks LLC can create the perfect outdoor space for entertaining or relaxing. Remodeling Services Texarkana is an excellent way to improve energy efficiency and update your home's appearance. Texarkana siding installation offers protection and aesthetic appeal, with various materials and colors to choose from. Basement finishing Texarkana can transform an underutilized space into a functional living area. Texarkana garage conversions are ideal for creating additional living space or a home office. Texarkana electrical upgrades can improve safety and accommodate modern technology needs. Texarkana drywall installation is essential for creating smooth, finished walls and ceilings. Texarkana insulation services can improve your home's energy efficiency and comfort. Texarkana home repair services address any maintenance issues, keeping your home in top condition. Affordable kitchen remodeling in Texarkana, TX, offers budget-friendly options for updating your space. Remodeling Services Texarkana services can bring new life to older homes, preserving their charm while updating their functionality. Texarkana tile installation offers a durable and stylish option for floors, walls, and backsplashes. Texarkana countertop installation provides a wide range of materials, from granite to quartz, to suit any kitchen or bathroom design. Texarkana lighting upgrades can enhance the ambiance and functionality of your home. Texarkana plumbing services ensure your home's water systems are efficient and reliable. Best Bathroom Renovation Services Texarkana, Texas, provide expert solutions for creating a spa-like retreat. Top-rated home improvement contractors Texarkana are available to handle any project, big or small. Custom home renovation experts in Texarkana, TX, can bring your vision to life with personalized designs and craftsmanship. Professional flooring installation Texarkana, Texas, ensures a flawless finish for any room. Texarkana, TX interior design and remodeling services offer comprehensive solutions for updating your home. Remodeling Services Texarkana experts Texarkana can transform your home's exterior with new siding, windows, and more. Reliable room addition services in Texarkana, TX, provide seamless integration with your existing home. Roofing services in Texarkana, TX, ensure durable protection and long-lasting performance, whether you need repairs or a full roof replacement. From exterior upgrades to structural expansions, experienced contractors deliver quality craftsmanship that enhances curb appeal, comfort, and overall home value.